are excited to share details regarding our new Choice Monthly Premium Plan. Choice Monthly allows you to lower your borrower's monthly MI payment by choosing to pay a customized amount upfront. Flexible sources of funds for this upfront payment include funds from the borrower, lender credits, and seller credits. With that, let me walk through how to request Choice Monthly through Encompass. To request a rate quote, from the MGIC user interface, select Rate Quote in the request type. When monthly premium ZOMP is selected, a field for MI buydown is present. Enter the details of your request, including the upfront amount you wish to apply to reduce the monthly premium, and click Rate Quote. To import the upfront and monthly premium information, click Import Fees. From here, you can view the Rate Quote PDF, which is also saved in the e-folder. To order mortgage insurance, from the MGIC user interface, select your request type. Again, when monthly premium ZOMP is requested, the field for MI buydown is present. If a rate quote was previously requested through Encompass, the upfront amount from that request will appear. If you had not previously requested a quote, enter the upfront amount in the buydown amount field. Be sure to include your MGIC rate quote ID if you have one, and when ready, click Order. Upon approval, you can import the upfront and monthly premium information and view the commitment certificate. Which reflects Choice Monthly with the upfront amount and rate, as well as the monthly premium and rate. This too is saved in the e-folder. We're hopeful Choice Monthly will help you bring a fresh approach to address the ongoing home affordability challenges. Thank you for partnering with MGIC.